Hey there everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another exit sign test. Today we're going to be testing this Dual-Lite self-diagnostic combo that is currently above the exit door in the S.E.R. And yes, this is the same exit sign as the last test. So today we're just going to be testing it, and then we'll also do a vote on which device that we will have in the next setup. Sorry about that smoke alarm chirping over there. Anyways, for the next setup we have this generic emergency light. Literally dozens of different companies rebrand this, so I'm not going to assign it a specific brand because I don't even know which one this particular unit was made by. So you can vote between this generic emergency light, which is very common, I see these in many buildings, or the ultra thin green exit sign. See how thin this is? It's pretty thin compared to a normal exit sign, isn't it? And one of the reasons that is because this does not have battery backup. This is an AC only unit. So in the comments below, for the next setup, vote between the generic emergency light or the ultra thin green exit sign. So to test this today, I haven't tested it in a while. It's self-diagnostic, so it tests automatically, and if it ever finds something wrong with the unit, then it will give me a series of red flashes with that light right there. So I technically don't even have to be testing this because it does it by itself, but we'll do it today anyway. There's two ways to test it. You can either push the test button, as you can see right there, it's that green little light. Or the way that I prefer is to just kill the power. So that way you 100% know it's going to work. Just like testing smoke alarms with real smoke. Anyways, to kill the power we'll just use the breaker. As you can see, the sign has its very own breaker, which is number 4. So we'll go ahead and kill the lights first, and then we will kill the exit sign. In 3, 2, 1. And as you can see, it lost power and the emergency lights came on. Now if I were to show the rest of the garage you wouldn't see much, just because the camera can't pick it up that well, the dim light. But I can assure you it's plenty of light to move around the garage, find my way out, or stay in here and continue working. So we'll go ahead and turn the lights back on, and we'll turn the sign back on. And as you can see, the lights are still on. And this is a feature the sign has, and that is just because some lights can take up to 15 minutes to warm back up, like those big lights they have in gymnasiums. And you're going to want to have light during those 15 minutes it takes the normal lights to warm back up. So this sign will just stay on for an extra 15 minutes just to make sure everyone still has light. But if you don't like that, you can just push the button. Anyways, that's gonna be the test for today. So go vote in the comments on which sign you want to see or which device you want to see in the next setup. Thank you for watching. I hope everyone is doing well. Have a great day.